In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify, a process that can streamline your business operations and enhance your marketing capabilities. By integrating these two platforms, you'll be able to synchronize customer data, automate marketing tasks, and gain valuable insights into your business. Now, let's dive into the process. First, it's important to ensure you have admin access to both your HubSpot and Shopify accounts. This will allow you to make the necessary changes and authorize the integration. Access to both platforms is crucial because the integration won't be possible without the proper permissions. Once you've confirmed your access, open your preferred web browser and log into your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Marketplace icon, usually located on the upper right side of your screen. The Marketplace is your go-to spot for finding all available apps and integrations that HubSpot supports. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to type Shopify. This will bring up the Shopify integration option. Click on it to be taken to the integration page. On this page, you'll find plenty of information about what the integration does and the benefits of connecting HubSpot to Shopify. After reviewing the details, click on the Connect App button. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account, so it's handy to have your login details ready. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once logged into Shopify, you'll need to authorize the HubSpot app to access your Shopify store. This step is crucial as it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other. You'll be presented with the specific permissions that HubSpot requires. When you're comfortable, click the Install App button. Congratulations, your Shopify store is now connected to HubSpot. But that's not the end. Next comes customizing the settings to align with your business needs. In your HubSpot account, return to the integration settings by navigating back to the Connected Apps under your account settings. Here, you can configure how data is synchronized between Shopify and HubSpot. Consider which data points you need to be shared, like customer contact information, purchase history, and product details. Configuring these settings will help you get the most out of the integration, allowing your sales and marketing teams to work more effectively. It's also a good idea to set up some automation using HubSpot workflows. With the Shopify integration, you can create workflows that trigger based on specific events, such as a customer making a purchase or abandoning a cart. This automation can save your team time and ensure that your customers receive timely and relevant communications. Finally, take time to explore the new reports available in HubSpot. These reports can provide you with a deeper understanding of your sales and marketing performance, helping you make data-driven decisions for your business. And there you have it, a seamless integration between HubSpot and Shopify, empowering your business to function more efficiently. Thank you for joining us, and happy integrating!